So they're going to make all the difference. So they drop the seat by 10 mil. Right, ladies and gents, welcome back to the channel. And if you're like me, a little bit short in the leg, I am 5'11" before you all start taking the mick. So I'm not short, but I do have a 29.5" inside leg, which can be a little bit challenging when I come to a stop. Now, especially on this XR, it's quite a tall bike. Most of my other bikes, I don't have a problem, I can completely flat foot, but I'm a little bit not 100% flat footed, probably about 10mm off. So in my pocket here, I've got a solution for you guys for £6.50 I think I paid. So not a lot of money, which is going to make a massive difference to the comfort of the S1000XR or GS or any of the BMW seats that have the rubber bungs. So I'm going to show you what's in my pocket now, and this is going to make all the difference. So what's in my pocket? So I've got these things here, these little rubber bungs. So they're going to make all the difference. So they drop the seat by 10 mil. So rather than looking for a low seat, second hand, which I was struggling for this because it's a 2025 model, there's plenty of Gen 1 low seats about, but they're still upwards of £200 second hand. So for £6.50, these have got to be worth a shout. Right, first of all I need to take the seat off. So it's a 2-second install, this job. And then we're taking off these two rubber bungs underneath the seat. Don't want them anymore. Well, keep them actually. You do keep these things, don't throw them away. And then put these replacements back on, like so. So there we go. As easy as that. And then literally slide your seat back in. And that's it. And I can see here there's definitely a 10mm gap just here. So we've got a lower gap there, which hopefully should make all the difference. There we go. And that has made the difference. I can completely flat foot, left and right, and that's just going to give that extra little bit of confidence when I'm coming to a stop. So I'm really happy with that. 2-second install, under £6.50. It's got to be the cheapest mod ever for a bike. Happy days. So there you go guys, £6.50. That drops your XR or GS or any of the BMW bikes that have got the rubber grommets. I don't know the technical term, I'm calling them a grommet, rubber bung. So for £6.50, it's got to be worth a try. Definitely lowers the bike by 10 mil. I don't need the option now of the low seat, which I'm really happy about because brand new, it's about 390 quid. In fact, it's more, it's over 400. I got a bit of a deal at one of the BMW dealers for 370. But decided not to buy it because I thought it's a little bit steep, that. And couldn't find a second-hand one because it's the 2025 model. Even the Gen 1 low seats are still going for like anywhere between 150 and 200 pounds. So quite a lot of money. Anyway, try this, £6.50. They're available on eBay. I'll put a link in the description for where I bought mine from, and give it a go. What can you buy for £6.50 nowadays? You can't even get a pint of lager if you're lucky. Right, I'm off. That's your lot for today. It's just a real quick video, just showing you this tidy little mod that I found, and honestly I can really confidently say that's made a big difference, and for not a lot of money. Because I think when you come into a stop, it's all about confidence, isn't it? And I think if you can't completely flat foot, for me personally, I like to flat foot. It just gives me that extra bit of confidence. that's definitely made a difference. I'll just come back and show you one more time. But yeah, that's really made a difference. Completely flat-footed. So happy days. It's a really cheap, easy mod. It works. See you all on the next one. Bye for now.